rise one day. No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show, and the world will know.
Sorry. What kind of rubbish is this? Are you blind? Sorry. Are you blind?
Sorry.
Sorry for what?
Ozugo, so I did not see that you were coming. Sorry. I'm very sorry.
Sorry for what?
Ego, she said she's sorry. Calm down.
Nonsense.
Malcha, I'm very sorry. Well, I did not know your car was coming.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Did you have a cold drink?
Hey, Malcha, I have drinks, but it's not cold.
Can you imagine? You don't even have cold drinks. For these village people. Ah!
Are you from the city?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I don't like this. I don't like it.
Malcha, thank you.
Thank you.
Take it. Oh, you are very beautiful and you are very respectful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go.
That's all.
How can they come in here and fight anyone? Even push Mama down?
So you think you can come here and hide, Abby? I will show you today. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. Hey,
you're still talking?
It's her.
Mugo.
Can you imagine
what you have done? What is going on? What is the problem? Malcha.
Sorry. I didn't know she's your sister.
It's okay. I know you will not want me to kneel down and beg you, Malcha.
Yes, kneel down. Kneel down. Come on, shut up.
Are you still talking?
Can you imagine what you have done?
My West, oh. My West.
Get up.
Hey.
Can you imagine?
Just go. It's okay. It's okay. You should go.
Go where? They're not going anywhere.
Your house is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
So you mean this is how you people eat here?
Yes.
You see this chicken? That is what we used to cook soup in my house. This full chicken now.
It's not even a full chicken, it's just the last.
This egg, 30 naira. That's how much I sell it. Yes.
Anyway, by the time we're done eating, I'll take you shopping. Yes.
How will you get money?
Money? I have money. My parents, they pay me monthly, so don't worry, I have money.
Malcha. Hi. You are very lucky.
I know I am. Don't worry, very soon you're going to know more about us. Because we'll be living here very soon.
In this house?
Yes.
I finished my egg.
Okay, you still want mine? Take now. I know you want it. I know. Why does it sugar? I'm very funny.
No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show, and the world will know.
Oh, yeah, take this. Oh, this is the money. Like I told you, when she's back from her holidays, she will come back to you, okay?
Yes. This money will really help me. To help me stock my shop, put things inside my shop again.
Yeah,
Good.
definitely. I know it will.
Put things inside my shop. This money will really
You are
help.
happy now.
Very, very happy.
Okay, come on, all right.
And take care of yourself. Oh,
Get into the car.
Oh, yeah. This money will really help me.
come on.
Yes.
Eh? We are going too late to the park. Eh?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
No, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Okay.
Get inside.
Yes.
Mom. Dad, good morning. Where are all of you going to?
No, Akuchi is going to the market. She will soon be back. She wants to go and buy something.
To the market.
Eh.
Just to buy some few things and we'll come back. Eh?
Auntie, you're leaving me.
No, darling. She's not leaving you. Just to collect some few things from the market and we will come back. I promise I am going to bring her back. Don't worry.
I'm going to
To the market?
Yes, to the
She's not
market.
leaving you.
The market.
So if you think I'm daft, you people think I'm daft, right? You're sending her away.
We are not sending for.
I know you people gave her money to leave me. No. Auntie, calm down.
But she's not going anywhere. We are only going to collect some few things and we'll bring her back.
No problem. She's going to the market, then let's go together.
No, she's only going to the market. She will soon be back.
Eh?
Akuchi, are you not going to the market?
Yes.
Auntie, did you say yes?
Where are we going actually? To the market.
I know.
To the market now.
To the market. Trust me, I am your father, my darling.
People think I'm
You may try to hide it, bury it all away, but the truth will surely rise one day. No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show, and the world will know. No matter how hard you try to
I said you shocked me. How did you know?
Because I wasn't sleeping when you were packing.
Hey!
I saw you. Why would my parents want you to leave like that in the first place?
Manager, your parents say you're supposed to go back to America. And that if I stay here, you will not go. So, they said I should go. So that you yourself can go back to America. And then, get me money.
I'm not going anywhere. But you can keep the money. It's your luck. See, even if I'm going to America, you will have to come with me. Else no one is going anywhere.
Huh?
Yes.
And if you go back to the village, I will follow you. Anywhere you go to, I will go with you. Wherever you are, I will be there.
Hey. Marijam, God will bless you. Every time I'm around you, I have this sisterly feeling, this sisterly love. I have this sisterly feeling, this sisterly love. God will bless you for loving a nobody like me.
God will bless you too. You know I love you. I love you.
God will bless you.
Please don't leave me again.
We're now waiting now. Why can't they waste our time? Where is the lady?
Yeah, don't worry, please. In fact, I am very sorry. Everything flopped. It didn't work out anymore. So my plans did not work out again. Please, for just pardon me. But I know we have more time to replan, and I will definitely call on you people. Okay? Don't worry, please.
Replan?
Yes.
Which can talk with that one now? Why we don't even go rent gun? You can't tell us you will go replan. Which can?
But I have apologized. I said I'm sorry. Listen, my daughter spoiled everything. My wife and I have decided to replan. But if it didn't work out, I will invite you to come to my house to strike and shoot that girl down. Please.
Okay.
Don't worry.
You go pay us, so
definitely I will.
Not be us to tell this kind of story now. You know the kind of risk we will take. This one a fresh agreement. You know what? Go get the money.
Listen to me. I can't come here to joke with you boys. I can't come here to joke with you boys. I have the money right here.
Okay, please, you have to help me. Please, my mother is on my neck. I need you to help me. Please, very soon I'm going to pay you back. Oh?
Osita, see, helping you is not an issue. But the problem there is this. You don't have anything doing. Something like shop that I can move on to. See, you're jobless here in the village.
Okay, see. Okay.
How am I to give you money?
Okay, you have to help me. I need this money. Pico, save my face from my family. Save me from this ugly situation. My wife is pregnant.
Huh? Your wife is pregnant? You see? You see what I'm talking about? Ijirego, you have no money and you went ahead. You impregnated a woman without money. See, woman and children, they are the same. Immediately they come into your life. It's all about spending.
Okay.
You'll be spending.
See, okay, I've seen you don't want to give me this money. I just noticed you don't want to give me this money. You have it, but you don't want to give it to me. I've been begging you for this thing. You don't just want to help me, you're just jealous because I have a wife.
Huh?
But don't worry, do not worry. Very soon I am going to make money. Don't you ever think of coming to me to beg me money.
I am made already. I sold my father's land in order for me to achieve my dreams. May God help you.
I'm almost done. Come and eat your food. It's getting cold on the dining table.
I'll come and eat once I'm done, auntie.
Come and eat.
Hey. Just leave everything here. Let's go. Let me just quickly dry on.
No. Leave it. Come and eat.
How are you?
Okay. I know you're very angry with me.
Please forgive me. I'm very sorry, please.
So tell me, why are you here?
Okay. Okay, please, can I get small money from you? I need to pay for my jam fee. Just small money, please.
I said it. I know. You being here, there is a reason. Is that right? As a good person that I am, I'll come to your rescue. Yeah.
You really love me. This is the right time to prove it. Please, just forgive me and help me with just small money.
Yes, willingly, I will help you. I've been asking you to give me a chance, but you refuse. Okay. Okay. For you to know that yes, I love you. Why can't you come inside so that we reason together and iron things out?
Okay. But it's not fair.
If it is not fair, I don't know.
Okay. Let's go.
Deal? Aku berdarah. Oh my God.
What is it? What is it?
Manager, I told me hot.
What?
To eat.
You ate the food? Go and get me a cat. Go. Quick. Nobody.
I don't know. Wait, let me. It's funny. Sarah, please. Sarah, please, don't do this to me. Please.
Mama, thank you very much. Thank you for making me receiving salt this morning from OK. Can you imagine OK insulted me? But don't worry, we'll go see.
I don't care about all you will say. I don't care. And who insulted you? Osita, you must pay me. You will go and look for that money and pay me. Akuchi, my daughter, cannot suffer for nothing. Then you and this Janet will come to finish her money. Mbano.
Mama, we'll make it though. We will make money.
You will make it when? When will you both make it? Today or tomorrow or yesterday? When? Osita, you must pay me. You must pay me, else this house will not contain both of us. My madness will start again this morning. Trust me.
Uzamaka, you are my sister. I know you are not happy with me, but it has happened. Please help me.
I should help you. I thought you have arrived. Eh? You know Osita is my friend. Until you went to tell him bad things about me. The next thing you married him. In Ajumego. I don't have any money. Don't have any money to give to anybody. Betrayed me.
Uzo, please, I'm sorry. It started from liking him, then I started having feelings for him. I fell in love with him. Please, just help us with some money. Once he does the business he wants to do, we'll give you back the money. Please.
How much are we even talking about here?
If you give us 20,000 naira, we'll manage it.
Eh? 20,000 naira? I don't have. You know I'm a student. Where will I get that kind of money from? But I can help you with 2,000 naira. That's what I have.
No problem. Please, bring it. Please.
Fugon.
Please.
Madam, she'll be fine.
How is she?
What did the doctor say?
We should be thankful to God that none of her organs was affected.
Hey!
What would we have done?
It is all my fault. I was seeing them getting closer. I was afraid they would get to know they're related. And I don't know what I will do if that day comes. That's why I did what I did.
We shouldn't have gone to that extent. Look at what poisoning Akuchi's food has done to our child. Eh? Now, tell me, do you think it would have been nice leaving them in this hospital alone? No. I mean, Akuchi and Sarah.
It doesn't mean anything. Trust me on this one. As soon as she gets well, I'm flying her out of this country. As I live here now, I am calling for her visa. Because I don't want her to leave. Let me see her back home. See her again.
Start talking! Who is my mother?
Sharon, Bia, Zara.
Please talk to her.
Could you please stay out of this? Stay out of this, please. Just stay out of it. This is between these two people and I. Start talking about how you both in the hospital. Talking about how I related to Antakuchi here.
Related to me? How, Koa? Bia, it's okay. You heard wrong.
Antakuchi, please just stay out.
Zara, please. My daughter, don't do this to us, please.
Brother, please don't do this.
Stop talking!
No, I will tell you everything.
Please.
I will tell you everything you want to know. I will tell you.
Stop!
Don't.
No.
Don't.
It happened about 18 years ago.
My love, my joy, the woman after my heart, why are you crying? Huh? Why do you keep on tormenting yourself? If God in heaven doesn't want to bless us with a child, then let it be, okay? Let it be.
Why? Why? I have money. I have a good business. And I have this very beautiful house. Why can't you just give me a child? Why? Why?
My love, we cannot ask God why. The most important thing is that the doctor has confirmed that we are medically fit to have our own children. So if it's not coming, let it be. I am not complaining. Okay? I am not. My concern is for us to live happily as couples. Okay?
Neighbor Lisa seems to be okay with our childless condition.
What do you expect? What do you expect? Men are like that. They pretend that safe is not bothering them. Why they go out there, got someone pregnant who will bear them a child. Yes. Yes. My friend, you need to act fast. I mean, be wise. Only heaven knows if he has one already.
What do I do now? We have tried everything, but nothing is working. And you know, adoption is out of it. I want someone of our own blood.
You haven't tried everything. Yes. Your husband is an only child. You need to be wise. I mean, shine your eyes. Yes, there are desperate women out there looking to whom to snatch their husband, especially when they see the opportunity. Just take my advice. So do.
What?
She? Your girl. Who is she?
In fact, you're mad. You are completely insane. Are you even listening to what you're saying? Eh? You need your head to be examined.
Onny. Onny, please. Please. Don't take away this one chance I have to have my child. Please.
No. I cannot do this. If you are too desperate to have a child, we can always adopt.
I want your child. Yes. A child of your own. Your own flesh and blood. I want to carry your baby. So anytime I look at him, I can see you in him. Please, Onny. Please. Don't deny me this. Don't deny me this one thing that I have longed for several years now. And again, you know she's very young. And we can lure her with money. And she's very loyal to us. Angela, I want you to do a favor for me. And it is only you that can do it. I've been married for several years now without any issue. And you know my husband is an only child. And now, his family are threatening to throw me out of this house. Angela, even my friends call me barren.
What is it? What do you want me to do for you? If it is something I can do, I will do it for you.
Angela, if you do this for me, I will reward you heavily. Money is not the problem. It is not.
What do you want me to do for you? Okay, fine. I will do it. Even though I don't know what it is, I will do it just to help you.
I want you to get pregnant for my husband. Angela, please. Angela, please. Angela, please. Angela, please get pregnant for my husband and make me happy in this marriage. Please, Angela, please.
Auntie, did you even think about it? How could you say such a thing? How? I have never been with a man all my life. I am just sitting. How? Auntie, please.
Angela, that is why I chose you. See, you are still very young. And no one will know that we're even pregnant. Your body will still be intact. Angela, I'll give you the sum of 500,000 naira. Yes. And not only that, I'll send you to America. And by the time you come back, not even your family will know that you were pregnant or even have a child.
500,000.
Even more.
Angela, never send me to abroad.
Angela, immediately I confirm that you are pregnant, you will stop doing any house chores in this house. And I'll treat you like a queen. And like the savior that you are. Angela, please.
Really, Auntie? 500,000. I will send you to America.
Angela, please. But then, you will not tell anyone about this until you die.
500,000. Yes. That's it. I will do it for you. Yes. I will do it for you.
You'll do?
As long as you keep to your promise. I will do it for you.
Thank you so much, Angela. You know what? From now on, I'll monitor your menstrual cycle to know when it is the right time.
Thank you very much, Angela.
Hey.
Of course.
Hey. I told you. Ah, my baby. How are you? Sit. How was the antenatal today?
Fine. The doctor said I will be due anytime from now.
Oh, really? Thank God, though. Thank God. You know what? Just come. Stand up, eh? Go inside and rest. I'll be with you shortly. I will give anything you want. And though. Hi. See the way she's looking so fine with her pregnancy. Thank you. Though. You're a lifesaver. The master planner. Eh? I told you.
You will become a mother. I mean, one-side mother.
You know, I can't remember the last time I was this happy. Honestly. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Hi. Yes. My husband and I, we've come to an agreement and we want you to give us the baby. So I'm here to make an offer to you.
I thought you said the young girl is a younger sister. What about her?
Don't worry about that, okay? I'm going to come back here for her. Just give me the baby so I can go home with her. She was impregnated by one boy, and you know these boys. If he learns that the baby is still alive, it's definitely going to come back for them. So just give me the baby now.
Okay. Madam, this is going to be hard for me. I can't stand and watch that girl cry that her baby is dead.
Tell me your price. Tell me whatever amount you want, and I'm going to give it to you here and now.
Angela! Hey! I see one there.
Take. That's 200,000 naira. Now go in there, pack everything that belongs to you and leave this house. Now!
Auntie, please. Choco, please. I have not fully recovered. Don't make me leave. I beg of you.
But you don't have any business here anymore now. Eh? Leave this place!
I told you. You said you would send me to America.
How stupid can you be? Very stupid. Did you give us any chance? Did you? Eh? Angela. Just leave. Get out, get out, get out.
Auntie. Oh, please. Please don't let me go. Please. Don't let me go. Please let me go.
Angela, you go into the house, pack your things, and leave my house this very minute.
Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh, please, please. Auntie.
Go and pack your things and leave. What is all this?
Child, you did not see. I should take you to America. Nonsense. You said you have a family member in America.
Pass about it.
Hey! I'm sorry.
Forgive us, please.
Hey!
Sorry, please.
Hey!
Both of you, forgive us, please.
Hey! What?
Sarah.
Here you have treated a 13-year-old lady like that.
My daughter, please. Please.
You are so mean and wicked.
I'm on my knees, please.
Kiss your father. Say I'm sorry. Kiss your mother. Please forgive me. You know I love you. You're my daughter. You're my child. I love you.
Your voice was too high. It was your voice she heard, not mine.
Life is sweet.
Very sweet.
What is going on here?
As you can see, I and my wife were enjoying ourselves with Indomie and egg. That is what is going on.
Mama, see well garnished Indomie.
highly garnished.
Oh, you have money to buy Indomie. You went somewhere else to buy it. When you know we have shop, eh?
Mama, you can join us.
Shut up.
See, from now going on, you and your mama will be cooking your own food. Me and my wife will be cooking our own food. From now onwards.
You know, it will not happen. Amame, not until you pay all the money that you are coaching. Amame!
Baby, what are you waiting for? Show them little magic. Show them.
Mama, how much am I owing you? So I'll pay you. How much?
Where did you get all this money from?
Slap you now. How much is your money, Joe? Talk, let me pay you. You are looking down on me, yo. Very soon. You gonna hear about baby. I'm coming out. How much is your money?
How much, Oga? Shut up! You don't have shit. I'm not Indomie. Cook food.
Stop thinking. I'm happy I met you. What if I didn't meet you? What would I have done?
Malicha, now I understand why I could not hold it when I saw you. Blood they say is thicker than water. Hi!
I love you so much. And I promise you will never suffer again. Don't worry. I will make sure to pay for everything they did to you.
Listen, doctor. Forgive us. We are sorry.
Whatever you want us to pay with, we are going to pay. I will pay. Please, I'm sorry.
Just leave this place right now. Leave this place!
Sorry. Please, go.
I will make sure you both rot in jail. I will make go right now. Just leave this place. Sorry. I can't wait to leave this house. Sorry. I said you should leave. Go!
It's okay.
Oh my child. Hey!
Osta! Osta! Osta, I'm here! I'm here.
My guy, you don't come?
Yes, I've come home, so we'll go and check the land and conclude.
Okay.
I want to bring the buyers tomorrow.
Okay. But wait, just hold on, I'm coming.
What am I hearing about land? Yeah? Which land are you talking about?
What?
Which land?
What is it now? We're talking about something else, it's not your business.
Bianwoke, who are you? And which land we are both of you talking about?
Mama, no, I have a land deal with Oster. So I came for us to go and see the land. I've even given him 50,000 naira deposit.
Hey!
Here.
Asida! So you didn't see what was placed on that land? That the land is not for sale? Huh? Eh?
No, Mama, I've not even gone there. I've not gone there. I came for us to go and see the land. Yes. Oster, I don't want it. If that land is not for sale, just give me back my money.
I'm the first son of this family. Nothing they happen. Cool down. We're going to see the land. Let me see who will stop me. Ogenede.
Yeah.
Ma?
Okay. Collect your money. No land is for sale. Now where you go?
Mama.
Okay.
Oster! Oster!
You need to go. Let's go.
Okay.
Who is that girl? I know I will trace her. I will trace that girl.
Don't worry. Ego has gone to trace her already. I will personally kill that girl.
Yeah, if you have to kill her, don't forget what we are into. Don't forget our plans. Don't forget what we have at hand, that I will soon become the king of this kingdom. And you, Zara, you will soon become the princess. Don't forget that. Please, you have to stop fighting outside. I have warned you severally. I don't want to lose this throne. No. I don't want to lose the throne. Zara!
I said it.
I'm going to kill her.
Didn't I say
deal with her?
You see? But don't worry. As for that girl, she will answer to me. So it's all about the kingship. That interest. Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Oh, I will handle that girl. Trust me now. Am I not here again? I'm here.
Onny, you don't need to cry. Please don't cry again, please. Listen, all we need to do now is to allow her go. We should let her go. Because if she stays, it is going to be very serious trouble for us. Please, it's okay.
I can't believe she will leave me like this. I can't believe Sarah will just leave me after everything I've done for her. She just left me.
It's alright. It's
Just
alright.
left me.
It's alright. We still have an alternative. We can adopt another child. Huh? Please. Stop crying, please.
It will be the same. It will be the same like Sarah. It will be the same.
It's alright.
Ma, this is the...
Please have it. It's alright, it's alright.
Sir. Please, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Please, I want to beg you for something.
Go on.
My mother wants to come and see me. I don't know if you will approve it. She's sick. I need to give her some money.
Is that why you are panicking? Tell her to come. Yes. She can come,
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
By the time I got back, Papa was already sick. I took him to the hospital, paid the bills, but he died. Then I had only 50,000 naira left to do. That is the 50,000 naira I used to open the shop and nurture it till now. Zara here is the child they lied to me about. They told me she was dead, that she died at birth. But they lied.
Zara, Nne. Ngwa, bịa mama, bịa. Chineke, Nne. How, God? My eyes have seen my first grandchild. Oh, Manita, as your mother would call you. So you are my blood, not another blood. Yeah? Oh, God.
Akuchi, you really amaze me. You are indeed a strong woman. You went through all this and you never made mention of it to anyone? Not even me. I thought we were best friends.
We are. We always have been. And we always will be. Janet.
Auntie.
Different happenings in life teaches us what is right and what is wrong. It tells us things that we must accept when we can't change them. Sorry about everything. Thank you. I was a baby also.
I will.
And you're welcome to the family. Mama, the provision store now belongs to you.
Right.
And Zara and myself have agreed to give you some more money to pump into the business. I'm actually quite cool. Oh, see, getting a visa is really hard these days. But Zara seems to know somebody in the Canadian embassy. So we will try and get you a visa so you can go and further your education, start something, and take care of your family.
Chilibudi, by OC Canada. Eh? OC Canada.
It's not what about me.
Don't worry. You will now be my sister forever.
By OC Canada. If you insist, who am I to say no?
Thank you.
Who am I to say no?
Thank you.
It's all right, my dear. It's all right. Stop crying. There is nothing we can do.
I miss my Zara. I love my daughter very much. I cannot do without her, build my life all around her. How can I survive without her?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Listen, my dear. She is gone. And she is gone. You cannot do anything.
I can't accept it. After everything I did to keep her, she still left me. She left me. She walked out on me without even looking back. She just left me. Zara left me.
Listen. I want to be very frank here. We have erred. We have done wrong. We have offended God and humanity. Let us begin to learn to love ourselves. Let's go, please. It's enough.
Hi.
Also go.
Sarah, please. That means she never loved me. She never cared about me.
It's okay.
Who is there? Who? Where's your brother, sister? Where's your brother, sister? Don't beat me. Don't try to beat me. Where's your brother? Or where's your mother? Whereas he thinks he can dupe me over a plot of land, I want my money now.
Okay. Please, my mom is not in and my grandma just left not quite long. How much is my uncle owing you?
150,000 naira. I want that money now. I will set this as a place.
What did you say?
You heard me. I will set this as a place.
You will burn this house?
Yes.
Don't even allow my sister to hear this rubbish you just vomited. Look at you. Go out and look for who you did business with. You set this house ablaze.
It's okay, Ogo, let me see what I can do. Let me pay him.
Eh? Eh? Okay, shut up! Shut up! Let me talk to my sister. What is that? See, let me tell you, your mother will not like what you want to do. You want to give him money. Eh?
Yes, no, because it's creating a scene here and I don't like it.
I will pay
this one. Okay, go and come later.
And you give me my money. I should go and come later. I hope I will see my money if I come back. And if I don't see my money, Oster will hear from me. And all of you will regret it. Nonsense.
So you wanted to give this man money? This person?
Yes, I'm scared. What do we do? He's just ranting.
Forget him. He's just a noisemaker. Eh? He will burn down my father's house. This one. You will give him mass beating. Sit down and show me what you're showing. See. Just give him mass beating. I'm be scared. Just show me.
Papa? I say let me come and see you. I just want to tell you that God has blessed us with good tidings. Yes. We are now in little money. Yes. I say let me come and I give you this and tell you that I and my people will be coming for your daughter's hand in marriage officially.
Hey, Osita, my in-law. This is good.
Brother, you already have her now.
He has to perform all the rights. Stop it.
But wait a minute. Osita.
Papa?
Do you mean this is just for you to inform me?
This is just the beginning. Yes, this is just the beginning because there is money. I am coming with real money. In fact, let me inform you that immediately after traditional marriage, I will be traveling outside the country. And when I travel, I will settle there, make some money, and come back for us to eat money. Yes. I'm coming back with real money.
Remarkable.
God has blessed us.
Honestly. Let me keep it under my armpit.
Papa. Let me keep it for you.
No. I don't trust you with this.
I'm really happy for your sister. So, Janet has finally succeeded.
My sister, what can we do? Nothing.
But I really like your brother a lot. Well, if he's happy with Janet, there's nothing I can do. I won't cry over it.
Were you planning to cry before?
I was not. You know what? I'm happy for your brother and I'm happy for Akuchi as well.
My dear, we have come to an understanding. Let them marry. We will not stop them. Hey, tomorrow, my sister Akuchi will be going to Okigwe with her daughter. Hey! Don't worry. I will bring the address to you so that once in a while you'll be going to Okigwe to visit them. Hey, your God! Thank you. Let's go.
Oh, you don't say it.
No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show, and the world will know. No matter how hard you try.
Onny! Woman! Woman! Come!
What happened to my
I don't know. She, look at what I saw here. In fact, let's take her. Let's take her. Hey! Take her. No. Don't get my key. Yeah. Hey! Run. Okay, babe. Onny! Run out!
Oh, yeah. Mama, we are going. Put it there. We are going. I'm going back to Okigwe. So when you decide for traditional marriage, come back. Okay?
Sister? What of the money now? I didn't talk anything about it again.
Zara, he's still asking about the money.
Okay. I'll do a transfer to you once you get to the city.
Thank God. This is exactly what I want to hear. Yes.
Thank you. Mama, I'm going. Go. I'm giving you the shop now. Be careful. No. Don't drink all your gain. Don't drink all your gain. You know, I've told you. Call this one. Give him coke. Give him coke. If I talk now, all of you people say I'm stingy. I cannot talk again.
I will not disappoint you. I will not fail you.
One.
No.
Grandma.
Grandma will miss you. Grandma will miss you. Oh,
You be careful. Yeah, go to the back. Go to the back.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Mama.
Bye. Zaza. Go over the shop.
Let's go. Don't drink all your gain. Don't drink all your gain.
No problem. Zazande. Remember the transfer.
I will remember.
Remember the transfer.
Don't provoke your sister. Nobody way. Zara. Bye, mom. Ow.
I need geisha and bread.
What happened to Mom?
Oh, Zara? She took poison. She
What?
wanted to kill herself. Thank God I came right on time.
Mom, why would you do a thing like that? Why?
Zara, my daughter. I'm happy you're finally here. I've been waiting for you. Sorry.
It's okay.
Please forgive me. For everything I did to you.
T, we forgive you. Why would you want to take your life?
Because I don't deserve to live.
Stop talking like this.
Sarah, your parents, just leave them. Take care of them. I didn't know things would turn out like this. You don't need to leave the house. It is yours. I will do everything to you. Be happy in life. I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
Nico, in peace.
Nothing will happen to you. Oh, nothing will happen to you. I love you so much and you know that. By the way, we all can live together as a happy family.
Dad, please call the doctor. Doctor! Call the doctor!
Doctor!
Oh, call the doctor.
Doctor!
Auntie, what's wrong? Auntie. Mommy, what's wrong with that? Auntie, what's wrong? Why are you like that? What's wrong with her, Mom? Mom. Auntie, what's wrong? Mommy, what's wrong with her? What's wrong with her? Talk to me. Mommy. Mom. Auntie, what's wrong? Mommy, what's wrong with her?
Igwe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The time is now here. Your family is now complete. That is what the gods tell me.
Thank you very much, eyes of the gods. I thank you so much. I can now understand what the gods were telling me.
Eyes of the gods. How can you say
his family is complete when he just lost his wife.
Leave the things of the gods for the gods. They now understand. You will have to come with your family for the final blessing.
I will do exactly what you have just told me, eyes of the gods. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
To hide it, bury it all away. But the truth will surely rise one day. No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show. And the world will know. No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show. And the world will know. Bury it all away, but the truth will surely rise one day.